Vishal Kumar nag school MB Rosebud Higher Secondary School Turau lawan ke Kedan Baar nagabiyo asan spa anyok Andrew Max. Kadba ka Prajukta Roy na 7th set Higher Secondary School Shillong bat ka Trinita Das na Kapichan A Sangma Memorial Public Secondary School Tura kilabat lang nga ke Kedan Balay nagabiyo asan spa anyok San Max. Hagani ka kenti ke District East Khasi Hills kalayo ya ke Kedan kung ke district ke Babone agi bapas. Hakaba kalayo kendai pusau point iwe hinyong nak sispa. Ke district West Khasi Hills kalawan Kedan ke Baar dan kebayo kendai puar point kendai san nak sispa. Bot sada ke South Garo Hills kaba prapu pra point South pra nak sispa bat ke district Ribhoi kaba prapu point North South nak sispa. Ki district Ibduna ek jimpas ki kentot ke South West Garo Hills kabayo nyuk sau point san South nak sispa bat ke East Garo Hills kaba nyuk puar point lai nak sispa. Baru kikena keblele ke eksamen kilong 1000 hajar untuk spa arpulangut hakaba 1000 hajar arspa arpulangut kilapas. Kini kepeni ba ke jinpas baru kalong prapuhun rio point prasau nak spa hakajela. Lada pia kat kum ki kerdan boper kikena ke bahab aga regular 1 kilapas kendai pulai point lain nak spa haga regular 2 prapo point new nak spa. Kibahap ke kedan private kibapas kidan sausan point iwe kendai nak sispa but non regular kilang saupulai point lain rio nak sispa. Ha kabedai bat kikenhun benrio boper kiban nak kenhun schedule tribe kisendrang kibelapas kilang prapun rio point iwe kendai nak sispa but kikenthai kilang prapun rio point san not nak sispa. Kibahap ke top general kibalapas kilong na kanyang sindrang kendai pusau point iwe sau nak sispa bana kanyang kikenthai kendai puar point papra nak sispa. Ke result jong kene kesnem kepni bagajing puli kalakio bha la dai nujor bagi senam arhajar arpuar hadu arhajar pusau. Agasnam arhajar arpuar gajing pas kalong san pun rio point kendai rio nak sispa. Agasnam arhajar arpurai kalong san puai point kendai lai nak sispa. Bat ha kasnam arhajar arpusau kolong sanpusan point panot arjispa. Ndrei kajing pas kaba menta kesenam arhajar arpun rio kajan nesriam bat kesenam arhajar arpusan. Hakaba kesenam arhajar arpusan kiba pas kidan prapunyo point iwenot arjispa bat menta kesenam arhajar arpun rio pat kiba pas kidan prapun rio point prasau arjispa.
Ningkong ay nga ay mo ibrimo pala don kakala pero yang ngabot terus ni ay nga kanimo nang tay ay mo yung takimi ka sa nga ba para bro ibala ka shan chay nga do basta snam nang taru ikibahi san bro iwan ay sim yang nga kiwa mandoy lang bat nga ka shan nga nang taru kam ikino hikay do mo kibala asisha bro nang tad dangadan kuno ka dijanjabu kilasyan ko por batay wen peni nga tayo mamlu iba na do pasang sa makan mau ni borok ba modle metric mo ilawan ni awan kan man an sim man ya ni nang tahu ikinang alam jang ka balang ki bala wan man duai lam ka sya bangan thot exam ba ki ba yo phone ru ko por sya ko por an sim na kong san e te kaliban sya ni ahu play hi nang ta bapin ai the best message of Peter but kanum dan ma adalah the top pinum long ani dang ales kani dang ales kate kata hiba don kampin bafinong bot tekniki kijing puli jong pi nai ong le sa le si si le kata kasnihi nang ta the fidan kuno kajing e wat eran kin ban kini nang hikay na markan yarap hai pi teng fidan ko wait and then pi ong em le tambah din sa jinjang pi but in the end te kata hiban puli pa madu asang sam hai bot teng kata hiba kam don kam ngayle himan ba masamad school tinga hadi syam tu tinga syong sypang tinga ngayle hiban rapat kat bala ndo bon school hadu banda dat mi be kum tu hi te ka kamru ngaya pi hayin kende de tang boni sam te ki parahi kila ong yang amle le nin pende mi kam jok pi fikra kat ma le ha tak kila era shay na hata kadang tinga la yo kam bon ko por kra kon
kru kon pre jong pi ni ka exam hatu pi bun ne am kijing ek ba pi kan do khana school ma
kijing ete kidan ba hima kidan ki subject ki ba kham e nga ni ki ba ngasno ki ba kham janjar ban yu tang ba khabat kongsan ete kadiban banle do bastang pen do bastang snam di banle le last minute ki mo kata hinga la khapan ki la ong hi ki me khwa ki ro na ba ngadi banle do bastang snam bangan sok ma tingai le kata hi kat bala kat bala myo anang puli na yu tir don chik e Nala phone bi kinong hikai hi na taki kidan hi hinman jonga mo ki basi rap na teng hi subject kum kan math science tang ala ni e taki nang hikai ru ni ki dong hi ki le ha hati ki lai kai bah ki ai ki notes ki lai batai poro atan dan jing kli ha ke ru ki la batai pha ki la sham por man kli ni te kata ka rap hana mar kum teng isno le ran hi no ban kai ki tang ki pat la on bai if dan ni e krani ni makata ka rap ha an ki chi e ti kidan hi tang ba nga sure le ban le ka bangala ka ba nga ai bas mutahi.
Personally, I don't like to confine myself within hours. I like to think of it as a feeling. If I like to study, I would do it at that moment. But I would say that once you reach class 10, you really need to be serious about it. Because as my parents say, it's a make it or break it stage. And for me, I started preparing all the way from the beginning of the year. But at the same time, I would advise students to please enjoy your school life. You'll not get something like this ever again. Do what you love, but at the same time, discipline yourself, especially at the last few months before the final exam. Make sure you give it your all, because in the end, even if you don't do well, as long as you gave it your all, you will be satisfied with the results.
I'm really happy today. All this wouldn't have been possible without my teachers. They have supported me a lot throughout this journey. Even my parents, even they are teachers, so I got guidance from them also. And even my friends encouraged me. So thank you to all the people who supported me, and thank you. The main thing is consistency. I think I studied every day for 2 to 3 hours, not that much, but before exams, it was a bit long. So I think consistency is important. Yes, little bit, but I didn't focus on that much. I even focused on the books because most of the things are in the books only.
What is your favorite subject?
Maths,
And what's your toughest subject?
social science.
How do you prepare social science since it's a tough subject?
I studied from guidebook, but the sad thing is that most of the things didn't come from the guidebook. But I studied the textbook also, so it was not that difficult. But social science question paper is always difficult. I want to do something good in my life. I want to work for my country.
And what is your next plan after since you finish your matriculation?
I want to take science and I want to take physics, chemistry, maths, and computer.
But it's all thanks to God. Jisu hi. Dam jisu I'm not in a secured in a position.
Como que create to fee the exam?
First, pray bit, dry bit every day. You cannot skip prayer. And to be honest, I had a full schedule throughout the year. My entire class 10, I did not miss a day for which I didn't study, and I had a perfect schedule. I would not skip anything, but also I made sure I had fun. I wouldn't let my studies get in the way of my friendships and my relationships with people around me as well.
So how do you feel in today's era, the social media world, with the effect of Instagram, Facebook? Did it affect your studies?
I wouldn't say I completely cut off my Instagram and social media during my studies. It's a 50-50 chance. Basically, some people, if they know how to use social media and Instagram, if they have a control limit, yes, they can use it to an appropriate amount. But if those who doom scroll way too much and they can't really focus, I suggest that they do delete Instagram. Even delete some friendships and all that, because you need to focus on your future, you need to focus on your studies.
Tengah sim ya kena kabo ban ai kuble ya parok kena ki bala appear ya ke SSLC exam yang ki arja punriu bat ki bala pas ya ke exam ki halakin chong ki kerdan tengah nakal yang chonga ai kuble ya ki ya kajing trish tom ka chongki kajing bitin lenti chongki no hika po school bat kajing ai mensim jong kmi pa jongki bat ka we ka mon bat jongki kala pelong ya ki bakin pas bah hakan exam jongki te nakal yang ka jongi ni penpawe ka jing sngu bat ya ki na school baro bat sakawai ka ba ngakwa ban penpaw ka long ba habang ya pek ya ka result baro astit jong ka khalia ngilai i habaro ki district ka pass percentage ka lakiu bat ngilayoi ba ka performance jong ki school tang hasor ri habaro ka state kala pau hala ki jong ki benta kane ka pen I ba ka ek intervention jong ki stakeholder nanu ki school hado ki kami pa hado ka Mbose bat ka sarkar ban aya ka jing hikai ban aya ka jing syakri nang benta na school kalong kaba aimen sim tengi nak leng ka sarkar nginang persyang syusyu ban penjanai ya ka jing aji hikai knang ba ki khna school ka jing kwa ka jung ni kalong ba barok ki khna school ki dei ban pas dei tak daw pilai I ba ka Mbose maria dep declare ka result mentai ka singi kala peni ya ka notification ba kitu ki bam la ban pas hakane ka result wa menta kila ban ba piar yak exam ka ban long hob nai me tengah comments ke ba kin ri hojar tam ki bam la ban pas kin apiar ne exam ne ki bat kin knang ba kin yo ba kin pas